to have a lawyer present. Hey! Come on, running.
Please don't hurt me. I surrender. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me.
On March 16th, 2026, what started as a routine encounter in Volusia County, Florida, quickly turned into one of the most unusual police pursuits you'll ever see. As deputies attempted to detain a suspect for trespassing, he suddenly took off running through the neighborhood before making a desperate escape into the Halifax River. But what happened next wasn't your typical foot pursuit. Refusing to let the suspect get away, a Volusia County deputy and a Daytona Beach Shores police officer grabbed paddleboards and launched into the water, turning the arrest into a bizarre chase across the river.
Have you seen anybody going in and out of the house? No? How long you been over here?
I'm gonna be honest with you, officer. Just please don't come. I've been brutalized by officers. That's I'm
Okay,
not
I'm just
accusing you. I know. I'm
just talking.
I've been brutalized by officers.
I gotcha.
So I've actually talked to this neighbor. He knows me. I actually came here a couple of days ago because I'm homeless and I live in my car.
Who lives here?
I don't know. That's why I talked to the guy, and he said that no one's been living here in the past 3 years or so. And he told me that I said I don't want to get towed because I'm trying to live on the beach. I actually just got a job down here at the Mikey Malley's. You know that little breakfast spot right here?
No, I think so, yeah.
Malley Mikey's or something. It's like,
yeah.
I don't know. But yes, so I just got a job there. I start this Saturday. So I'm trying, you know what I mean? And I'm living in my car. I'm not trespassing. It says on there, no trespassing. I don't need to go in there for no reason. All my life is in this car.
Right. Well, I mean, if you're not supposed to be here, you can't stay here. You have ID with you?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, the guy said it was okay, but again, like, no one lives here, so technically it doesn't actually belong to whoever even reported
No,
it.
I get what you're saying, but if there's a no trespassing sign, that means the whole entire property. You know what I'm saying?
Hold on. Hey.
Okay, I know, but you...
No. Step over here. I don't know why you're stepping in that
because
car.
my
I don't know
stuff,
who you are.
That's my phone.
Okay, step over here.
Come over here.
What is your name?
That's my phone, though.
Okay,
so
what is your name?
You're
What is your
breaking
name?
Chase Cruz. It's
Okay,
on the
Chase,
ID.
listen to me. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions. To have a lawyer present. Hey! Come on, running. White male, blue shirt, white shorts, southbound on Peninsula. Running back towards A1A through the church parking lot. Get some units on A1A. He made the left on this side of the building. I lost him. He went somewhere this way.
He's in the intercoastal, about 10 feet off the shoreline.
The dispatch center notifies all nearby police that the suspect was last seen jumping into the Halifax River.
Hey, can we get him out the water? He's swimming in the middle of the river.
Too old for this shit. That motherfucker's quick, man.
All three of us were right there when he ran. He dusted everybody.
Hey, he kept trying to get in that back seat.
Yeah.
There's a gun in there, I guarantee you.
Back with the car.
I lost a visual on him. There he is. He's splashing right there. See him right there? Just to the right of the green. I see him.
Yeah.
I got you. Well, I think he probably got off the bar and like, oh shit. Yeah. I'm saying once they're in the water, that way you're not in their line of fire. You're kind of flanked a little bit.
Hi, George.
Yeah, we're getting ready to go in and get him with the boards. No, our guys. No, one of our guys used to be a lifeguard, and one of the Shores paramedics used to be a lifeguard, so they're going in to get him. Yeah, it is. Yeah. So and we got the drone going up. Oh my God, that motherfucker was fast, dude. We got called for trespassing, squatters. Then we go out with him. We're talking to him. He keeps trying to get in the back seat. And I'm like, where do we go? Because I'm trying to read his Miranda rights. He keeps trying to go in his back seat. I was like, no, get back. And then as I'm reading him, boom, he's gone. I was like, fuck it. I got one running, white male, blue shorts, blue shirt, white shorts. All right, I'll send you a video when these guys go out. All right, bye.
Come on, rain, hold off. Fuck.
It's rain. It was raining sideways earlier.
It wouldn't rain Saturday, but it'll rain now.
Call my brother. I was like, can you get your boat in like the next 10 minutes? Just come out.
He just didn't want to get paid.
Stand up. Stand up.
I'm surrendering. You're not surrendering. You got caught. Jack, watch the strap on the tree.
I was going to go to the other end if you kept going. Come to me, man. Michael Phil.
Here, let me see your hands.
Get your feet on. There you go.
Step over.
Step over.
I got you.
We got you.
All right, look at this deputy right here. Face this guy right here in front of you.
Face me.
Please don't hurt me. I surrender. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me.
I'll put you guys both in for a sheriff's warrant.
Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me.
You're done running, right?
Yes,
We're
sir.
good.
Please don't hurt me.
Done running, we're good.
Please don't hurt me.
Get rid of my demerits.
Please don't hurt me.
Okay.
Work. Hey, dog. I chased after him with my taser.
What the heck are you gonna hurt?
I stole.
There we go.
I stole his
Behind your back.
Please don't hurt me.
We're not gonna hurt you. We're not gonna hurt you. We're done. We're done with all that.
I'm so sorry. I was scared.
Running is not lawful.
The original was we were there talking to you and you decided to take off.
But I've also been brutalized by officers.
Well,
So
that's still not an
Nobody
excuse.
brutalized you.
you're right. It's not. But
It's not.
you're right. I'm sorry, officers. You're right.
Jake,
You
put
know,
them in
but,
yours or
Facts
put in yours or want to put them on?
The facts are facts.
He's going to Melendez. I don't care.
All right.
I said he's Kimmy, so I don't care.
Stan looks like. He looks like the guy from the Rocker Files.
But
That's a
you
little old
guys
for me, dude.
You are correct. Sir.
All right, so I have a question. When you jumped in the water, did you think you were going to escape by jumping in the water?
No, I just. To be honest, you want to know what I was thinking?
Yeah, I was
I
curious.
just gotta live. That was what I was thinking. I just
You gotta live?
I can't be captured.
Going in the water is not the
Why are
best
you
way to do
running?
that.
I'm gonna be honest.
You got a warrant?
No, I was brutalized by officers. My knees and everything's are healing now, and then they put me in this place, and it was horrible. And
Who put you in a place? The jail?
but it wasn't like a real jail. Like
Oh. All right.
I was scared that I was gonna be there forever because I couldn't make a phone call or anything like that.
Man, you can't be running from us.
Yes, sir.
This is Florida. We will chase you to the end of the earth.
Yes.
I don't know what goes
Land
on
or
in
by
Maryland.
sea.
Yeah,
I've
land,
never
sea,
done
and air.
that before. So.
I don't know how they do business up in Maryland, but down here,
No, I never.
we don't give up.
No, I love the police.
What? I don't know.
I don't do this. I'm not a criminal.
I'm just saying, in the future, you might not be a criminal, but you did some criminal shit today.
Yes.
Yeah.
After officers brought the suspect back to shore, he was taken into custody without further incident. According to the Volusia County Sheriff's Office, the 28-year-old suspect was charged with loitering and prowling, as well as resisting arrest after fleeing from deputies and jumping into the Halifax River in an attempt to escape. Court records show he later made his first court appearance and was scheduled for a subsequent arraignment hearing. What started as a routine encounter quickly turned into one of the most unusual pursuits of the year, with deputies and Daytona Beach Shores police officers using paddleboards to track down a suspect who thought the river would help him get away. Body camera footage captured every moment of the chase from start to finish. With that being said, that's it for today's video. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more police body cam footage.